Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video by email. So to start, open your browser and go to youtube.com and sign in to your account. Next, find the video you want to share. So click on it. Next, scroll down and click share below the video. Click the share button. Now once you're here, so look for email and click on it. So wait for this to load, and then once it loads, you can enter the recipient's email address. Then you can add a message if you want and click send. Now another thing you can do is to copy the link right here, then open another tab and go to Gmail. Now once you're here, so click compose.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So once you're here, enter the recipient and you can type in the subject. Then paste in the YouTube link in here and then click send. And that's basically it. So that's how you can share YouTube video by email. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.